This is code.org. I'm currently working on the Frozen Hour of Code course. It's called Code with Anna and Elsa. I'm on part 13. Let's see what Anna's going to do. A circle is a special shape. Okay. Can you figure out what number to replace the question marks with to draw a circle? Oh, okay. Well, let's test the code out first and see what's happening. Oh, we're not even moving. Okay. Some quick reminders. These are our options for blocks that we are allowed to use. I don't think we need to change the color. The workspace wants us to do this in 6 blocks. We currently have 4 out in our game area. Alright, so let's see. They have some suggestions here. It's always okay to be wrong. So I'm going to go ahead and test, 200. Let me lower the speed and let's see what that does. Because you can run things as much as you want. Ooh, she is moving kind of fast still. So it doesn't look like 200 was enough. I can also always click on this when you run it, and if you don't get it correct, there is always a hint available. I'm going to do less. Let's see. 200 times. Let's try more than 360. Let's see what that does. Oh, awesome. So I guess what we needed is to tell the computer to do this 360 times, because Anna is only moving 1 pixel at a time, and a circle has 360 degrees. So that's what I got. Great. Onward.